Unit 322 here at TriVista. This is our 1E.0 floor plan. So here in the kitchen, plenty of cupboard space. There's going to be a coat closet here just inside your front door. Got the built-in pantry cupboards to the left of the fridge. More cupboard space here on the island, and plenty of room for a couple bar stools here. Nice size living room. We are east facing here. Good morning, sun. Gonna come into the bedroom here. Ceiling fan included in every bedroom. Gonna have a very large walk-in closet. And then direct access to the bathroom. This is a great bathroom because you do have the built-in shelves, but then you also get this great linen closet. All right. Got a very large glass shower here. The bathroom is L-shaped, coming out by your kitchen. And here in the bathroom is where you'll find your full-size washer and dryer. So again, the 1E.0 floor plan here at TriVista.